Imagine a company with a CEO whose personal mission is to lift humanity, one person at a time. Imagine a company whose entire purpose is to lift you up, so that you can lift others up. Imagine a company with over 1.2 million eager customers before its global launch. Imagine a company with over 20 digital and physical products right out of the starting gate, with many more in the pipeline. Imagine a company that gives back to its founding members with every product sale, keeping only what it needs to continue growing. Imagine a company whose product line is completely built from scratch, requiring no software licenses, and having its own global data centers. Imagine a company with an inspired force of volunteer leaders who inform, guide, and help their fellow founders, 24/7, across time zones, across the globe, simply because they want to be of service. Imagine the impact of such a company. Imagine the ripple effect of 1 million founders, with the heart and the means to make a difference in their communities and beyond, joining forces to heal this planet. Imagine it. Believe it. Experience it. Onpassive.